Imagine waking up every day without the weight of debt, without worrying about the bills arriving at the end of the month, and with financial freedom within your reach. Have you ever thought about traveling wherever you want, without having to make obsessive calculations of how much you will spend? Or who knows, guaranteeing a future so solid that money ceases to be a problem in your life? Although this may seem like a distant dream to many, I will show you that it doesn't have to be that way. If you think that the world of finance is a territory reserved for experts, I am here to prove that this is not true. We will demystify personal finance and show you how you can transform your financial future in 2025, regardless of how much you earn today. The key to achieving wealth is not how much you earn each month, but how you manage what you have. If you are ready to learn strategies that really make a difference, come with me. We're going to cover the step-by-step process to get out of financial trouble and learn how to multiply your money, whether you're a beginner, someone with little savings, or even someone who already has a higher income but doesn't know how to make it grow. If you want to build a solid future, this video is for you. Don't miss a second. Before we start, I need a little help to reach more people who can benefit from this transformation. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell to stay up to date. Share it with that friend who needs to get their finances in order. This video could be the beginning of something big in your life. So if you're tired of living in a tight spot, or if you simply want to know how to multiply your money, stay here. What I'm going to teach you could be the turning point in your financial life. Imagine the following. It's already December 2025. You're sitting on a paradisiacal beach, admiring the sea, without a single weight on your shoulders, knowing that your money works for you, not the other way around. Or maybe you've just achieved that dream that seemed impossible, like opening your own business, buying your dream home, or providing your family with the security they've always wanted. Does it seem like a distant dream? I'll prove it's not. Here, I'll show you how to start from scratch and achieve this level of financial stability all in 1 year. It doesn't matter if you're in debt, earning little, or even out of work. After this video, you'll leave with a realistic and powerful plan to achieve financial freedom. Are you ready to transform your life? Part 1. The Power of 2025. Why is 2025 the perfect year to start? You may not know it, but many of the world's greatest fortunes started in times of crisis. The economy is constantly changing. New opportunities arise every day, and making money has never been more accessible. The key, however, is action. The financial future belongs to those who are ready to seize opportunities. And 2025 will be a year of great possibilities. Digital ventures are on the rise. You can start an online business with virtually no investment. The investment market has also never been so accessible. With just 30 Rs, you can start investing in Treasury Direct bonds or even company shares. Information on how to manage your money is at your fingertips, whether through free courses, investment platforms, or financial control apps. And best of all, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. You just need to make the decision to take action. Part 2. Change your mindset. Here's the truth. Wealth starts in your mind. Before you can make more money, you need to change the way you think about it. If you believe that money is hard to come by, or that only those who already have a lot of it can become rich, you're sabotaging yourself. Let's change that right now. Adopt an abundance mindset. Ask yourself, how can I create more value and therefore make more money? Create clear and objective goals. It's not enough to say, I want to be rich. Set values and deadlines. For example, I want to save 10,000 Rs by the end of this year. Visualize this achievement every day. Imagine what your life will be like when you achieve your goals. This will keep your motivation high. The most important thing of all is to turn your dreams into a plan. And that's exactly what we're going to build now. Part 3. The step-by-step guide to wealth. Now that your mindset is adjusted, let's get to the practical plan. Here are the 5 steps to start from scratch and achieve financial freedom in 2025. Step 1. Cut the anchors. Resolve your debts. Debts are the biggest obstacle to wealth. They drain your energy and, most importantly, your money. If you have debts, list them all, including the total amount, interest, and terms. Start negotiating. Many creditors are willing to reduce interest or give discounts for cash payments. Use the snowball strategy. Pay off the smallest debts first. This will give you motivation to move on to the largest ones. Step 2. Build your first source of income. Without a stable source of income, there is no way to invest. Start with the basics. Sell something you no longer use, offer freelance services, or undertake digital entrepreneurship with something simple, such as selling courses or products online. If you already have an income, look for ways to increase it. Ask for a promotion at work, show results, and negotiate. Jobs as a ride-hailing driver can also be an excellent option to supplement your income. Step 3. Control your expenses. The secret that few people know is that it's not just about how much you earn, but how much you can save and invest. Adopt the 50-30-20 method. 50% of your income for needs, housing, food, 30% for leisure, and 20% for investments and savings. Automate your investments so that on the day you receive your salary, you're already transferring it to your investment account. Step 4. Invest intelligently. You can start investing with little. With 100 Reais, you can already invest in Treasury Direct or CDBs. With 300 Reais, you can start investing in real estate funds that pay monthly income. The important thing is to understand that before investing, you need to learn. Look for free content about investments and start slowly, safely. Step 5. Multiply your sources of income. Those who achieve wealth do not depend on a single source of income. Create digital products, invest in real estate, or start working with affiliate marketing. The more sources of income you build, the faster your wealth will grow. The turnaround is within your reach. Wealth is not a one-time event, but rather an ongoing process. If you follow these steps consistently, you will see results. It may take a few months, but your financial life will never be the same. Don't underestimate the power of taking a small step today. Every action counts. The effect of small steps in the long run is transformative. Now here's the challenge. In the next 30 days, take one concrete step towards your financial freedom. Comment below what you will do first. I look forward to reading your comment and helping you in any way I can. What you do today can change your life forever. Let's start this journey now.